Hi Ray, moving on with WPE member. I'm currently struggling to figure out why the page protection isn't working. As you can see, I'm on the map page, which I would like to be protected from non-logged in users. And you can also see that I'm not logged in because that's the state that the WPE member menu is in. So let me pause the video for a second and I'll show you a few settings, and hopefully you can figure out why it's not working. Okay, so I've logged in, and the first area is in the let's see, the membership level, manage content protection tab, and general protection. So in there I've got all of my ticks. So I'm looking at the map page, so I've got that ticked. So, and then if I go into Australia, it's ticked there, which means that once I'm logged in, it should grant access to the map page. Select which content to grant access to for the selected level, so Australia. So that's all set, and as you could see, the map was available when I wasn't logged in. Now there is one other way to lock things down, and that's in WPE member settings. Scroll a fair way down and you'll get to site-wide domain level page protection. So this is another way that you can do it. And I've enabled site-wide domain level lockdown. So the whole site is locked down, but I have excluded certain pages. So the home page, the demo, and then all the pages, the about us, thank you, and then the pages that are linked to the demo page, because they should be seen for free. Bright, Coffs Harbour, Kakadu, etc. There's no map link in here, so it should come under the protection. Now it once again still will not. I can still access the map page when I'm not logged in. I've also got in here an auto redirect to a specific page, so the demo. So if somebody clicks on a page like the map page and they're not logged in, it would redirect to the demo. So perhaps this is the way that I would lock down all of the content, because I have a redirect. I have used this a long time ago. I've been wanting to use this plugin for a number of years, and I did have it working where when someone accessed a protected page, it would come up with a box with writing in it that would say something along the lines of, "This is a protected page, you are being redirected," and then it would redirect to the demo. So I probably had this feature up and running, but at the moment it's not working. So if you could have a look at that, that's the next thing to figure out moving forward with the membership. Let me know how you go. Good luck with it. Thanks, Ray. Cheers.